what's up YouTube? It's AJ with AJ Travels 365. And today's video is all about the travel bags from OTG247 or On The Go 24/7. For those of you that are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by and showing me some love. For those of you that are coming back and returning, thank you so much for the continued love. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking the link down below and click the bell for notifications so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. If this is something that interests you, keep watching. All right, so I demonstrated this bag in my carry-on essentials, and JP Chris asked if I would do a complete review on YouTube. And so JP Chris, this is for you. So the three bags that I have from On The Go 24/7 is the number 1 bag, the number 8 bag that you all saw in my previous video, and the number 10. All right, so this particular style is considered the nudie. If it were all this on both sides, it would be considered the solid. And this one is considered a print. So that's kind of how their styles are set up. The different prints, although, are not like all year round. They're kind of seasonal. New ones pop in. They leave once they run out. So you kind of have to get in where you fit in, if you will. These are all made of 100% vegan waterproof leather. And there are 6 staple colors: black, nude, white, green, hot pink, and a royal-like blue. All right, so I have the green, obviously, for my nudies, and then the print for the number 1. So I want to just give you some details about each one and then kind of show you how things fit inside. All right, so the number 1 comes with 2 straps, a 48-inch strap, and a 12-inch strap, which is pretty much like a wristlet. This is intended to hold your phone, a lip balm. You could even put a card case in there. And if you carry business cards, that could fit as well. No problem. If you didn't want to carry a business card, because maybe you're using this as a quick crossbody for a sporting event, then you could stick your keys down in here as well. So like if you have a key clay or just one key, and if your keys are extremely bulky, then it won't work. I'll just be honest. All right. That's the number 1. Oh, the dimensions, before I forget, is 5 inches in width and 8 inches in height. All right, the number 8. All right, so this can hold and pretty much be packed however you want. I typically keep mine in my larger size tote that doesn't have any zippers or compartments in it. And I typically will keep my iPad and things like that just to make sure that they're all organized and I can see them in one spot, especially when I plan to just take this out and put it in the back seat of the pocket on the airplane so that I can get to things a lot easily. However, this can actually hold shoes, sport gear, and clothes, depending on what you're packing. The dimensions are 14 inches in width and 11 inches in height, okay? So just to kind of show you with shoes, because you guys have already seen how I pack it with my carry-on essentials. So I have my teaks, and because I am such a germaphobe to some degree, I take shower caps from the hotels because I don't use shower caps. I have something else that I put on my hair when I take a shower. So I put my teaks or any type of flat in that, and then I'll just stick that in here. And I have my red teaks as well, just to kind of give you an idea. Now, obviously, if you have a small foot, this works great. And then I'll just zip it up, and voila, my shoes are able to be transported. So that's the number 8. And the cool thing I love about the bags is that it actually has the number on the back of each of them. It's kind of hard to see the number 1 on this one. I don't know if you guys can kind of see that. But I really like that feature. It kind of lets you know which one you're grabbing. All right, so last but not least on the list is my number 10. So this one is 18 inches in width and again 11 inches in height. So there's no difference in the height of these two bags. It's just obviously the extension there, okay? So this one is intended to hold shoes, magazines, like if you had boxing gloves, sports equipment. But I want to show you how the clothes work, okay? So if you've watched my previous video, if not, I will make sure to link it. Winter clothes don't really work in these things. It's my personal opinion. I've not seen anyone successfully do it. So if anybody is out there, or OTG247, I have actually requested via email for you guys to show like ski equipment and ski apparel and equipment in these things, and I've not seen it yet. So that would be awesome if you did. But if there's anyone else that has this bag and is really good at packing, please help, because I've yet to see it. So I'm just gonna show you here. I have a pair of my sweatpants. And once I put that in there, like, look, there's not much more working out except for whatever I might put right here. And that in itself is just like annoying, because I'm clearly in the winter time gonna take more than one pair of sweatpants and a top. Like, this is like one outfit. And yeah, that's not clothes to me. But just to show you, I'm going to bring a pair of shorts, so Bermuda shorts. I have a t-shirt. I have another shirt here that I'm just gonna also stick in here because it's something I would wear with my jeans. And then let's just say I'm gonna take a blousy dress top, because I might, you know, get a little chilly, and it's long sleeves. So if I zip this up, you'll see that I actually still have a little bit more space in here. And this is a pair of Bermuda shorts and 3 tops. Again, spring, summer apparel fits perfectly fine. Winter apparel in the number 10, not so much. So again, if there's someone out there that knows differently, please do a video and show me, because yeah, your girl is struggling when it comes to winter clothes in the number 10. Another question that I got asked on my Instagram page with a direct message was, are these also for guys, or are they strictly for women? It is supposed to be for guys as well. I've actually seen a video with a guy using it for work, and it was with the number 10. With his dress pants, dress shirts, a couple of tees, etc. And then the number 8 for like undergarments, so like t-shirts, underwear, socks, things of that nature. So these are not just for women, guys. As I told you guys before, my channel is meant for everything across the board, men and women. Yes, there may be some things that a woman would wear. Obviously, I'm a woman. But I try to bring you guys topics and details that pertain to both men and women. So these on-the-go tote bags from OTG247 are for both men and women, just to be clear. All right. JP Chris, I hope that answered your question and gave you a thorough review of the bags that I have and how they can be used. If you guys want to see anything else, please don't hesitate to do like JP Chris and comment down below and let me know, and I will be more than happy to do a video for you. Again, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking the subscribe button down below and the bell for notifications. Also follow me on Instagram at AJTravels365. Until next time, remember, travel, you only live once.